homemade citrus salad dressing, pearl couscous, and mixed fruits are featured today on Grandma Bessie's house. We are bringing y'all a salad that you will enjoy. We are making a mixed fruit couscous salad. The recipe and its ingredients are in the video's description. To make the salad dressing, in a blender, pour in orange juice concentrate, white wine vinegar, sugar or sugar substitute, olive oil, and orange zest. Blend on high speed 30 seconds. Your dressing should look like this. Take a quick moment to give this recipe a thumbs up and share it. Check out our channel. We love making and sharing videos with you. If you like what you see, subscribe below and click notifications so you know when we release new recipes. Toast couscous in a dry pot over medium heat. Frequently stir until couscous turns golden brown. Immediately pour in water and salt. Combine and partially cover. Cook 5 to 7 minutes. Drain couscous and rinse with cold water. Allow couscous to cool and drain for 10 minutes. What are your favorite mixed fruit combinations? Tell us below by leaving a comment. Pour couscous into a storage container and fluff with a fork. Grab salad dressing and coat couscous with a little of it. Cover couscous. Refrigerate a minimum of 1 hour. To a large bowl, add fruits. We are adding blueberries. For larger fruits, cut them to size. For this recipe, we are dicing plums. Making sure to cut around each seed. And adding our plums to the bowl. If you want to remove the skin from fruit, peel and then dice each fruit. We are peeling and adding peaches to the bowl. If adding strawberries, hull and quarter them before adding them to the bowl. Sprinkle fruit with sugar or sugar substitute. Combine and refrigerate a minimum of 1 hour. Don't forget to like and share this recipe. Also, stay in the know, subscribe, and click notifications. To put salad together, pour couscous into the bowl with the fruits. Chop mint and add the mint too. Combine and enjoy. Thank you for watching another episode of Grandma Bessie's House.